or shove. Hold the rail and rise above. Safety first with care and love. C for car, buckle up before the ride. Sit real straight and stay inside. No peeking out from the side. D for dump, truck, stay far from a working truck. Heavy loads can spill or stuck. Watch your step, don't press your luck. E for excavator. Don't play near where diggers spin. They can't see you looking in. Keep away, stay safe and grin. F for fire truck. If fire truck is on its way, let it pass, don't cause delay. Heroes need a clear highway. G for garbage truck. Never run behind its wheel. Trash trucks can't see what they feel. Step back far, that's the deal. Oh. H for helicopter. Helicopter blades spin fast, or never go near till it's past. Strong wind gusts that really blast. I for ice cream truck. Look both ways before you dash. Even when you hear the clash, don't run quick to get your stash. J for Jeep. Seatbelt on before the ride. Hold on tight with arms inside. Don't jump out or lean too wide. K for kart. Racing fun is super cool, but follow every safety rule. Helmet's key in racing school. Yeah! L for limousine. Big long car with fancy door. Wait your turn and don't explore. Sit down calmly on the floor. M for motorcycle. Always wear your helmet tight. Bright clothes help in darkest night. Zooming safe is always right. N for night van. Night rides mean the lights must glow. Stay alert and move real slow. Shadows hide where dangers go. O for oil tanker. Stay away from tankers big. They can't stop if you dance a jig. One small step can be too big. P for police car. Respect the sirens flashing call. Don't block paths or make it stall. They keep peace for one and all. Q for quad bike. Ride with gear and ride with care. Bumpy roads are everywhere. Balance right and watch the air. R for race car. Racetracks are for racers bold. Not the street where kids unfold. Fast is fun, but not uncontrolled. S for scooter. Ride the scooter with the lid. No fast tricks if you're a kid. Stop at lights, that safety bid. T for tractor. Tractors roll on field, not road. They carry such a heavy load. Let them pass in patient mode. U for utility van. Utility vans may stop and start. Keep your space and play it smart. Don't run close or push the cart. V for van. Wait till van has come to rest. Cross in front, it's always best. Behind the van, that's not the test. W for wagon. Wagons carry hay and more. Stand away, not near the floor. One wrong move and it's a sore. X for XUV. XUVs are big and tall. Hard to see someone so small. Be alert when near them all. Y for yacht car. Water rides or land delight. Life jackets on day or night. Float or roll, we stay upright. Z for zoom car. Zoom cars move with speed and glee, but safety